Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see the multiplication on matrices. First in that we have scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. So scalar multiplication in the sense, so when we have a matrix say A and A is 2, 4, 3, 2, and when we are asked to find some 2A, find 2A. So this is the scalar multiplication, which means we are just multiplying a scalar quantity with the given matrix. So what we should do, 2A is equal to 2 into 2, 4, 3, 2. This is a matrix. What we should do, we should multiply each of the row and column by 2. So 2 into 2, it means 2 into 2, 2 into 4, 2 into 3 and 2 into 2. This is how we do the scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication is very easy. We just have to multiply each item, each element by the given scalar quantity. This is how we do the scalar multiplication. We saw in the previous videos that operations on matrices, addition and subtraction need to have the same number of rows and columns, while the multiplication of two matrices need not have the same number of rows and columns. So today we are going to take two matrices which doesn't have the equal number of rows and columns, and we are going to do the multiplication of this matrix. So multiplication of two matrix this is a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 2 row and 1 column matrix. So how do we solve this matrix? So here, while we do the multiplication of AB, the multiplication of AB has to be, see, we will first multiply like first row with the first column, and then first row with the second column if it has, but it doesn't have, so second row with the first column in the second row. So first 2 into 5, which means it is 2 into 5 plus 5 into 50. So first row, first column, 2 into 5 plus 5 into 50 will give me the element for first row, first column element. So it doesn't have any other columns, so I am going to go to the next column, next row, which is 8 into 5, next row. Here one column, one row and one column. So 8 into 5 plus 10 into 50. 10 into 50. This is how we solve. See, we are going to get a 2 by 1 matrix. So here 2 into 5 is 10 plus 5 into 50 is 5 is 25, 250, 8 5s are 40, 5 10s are 10, 50s are 500. So here we are getting 260 and 540, which is a 2 by 1 matrix, This is how we do the multiplication of two matrices. First we multiply the first row with the first element plus first row, first column, first element with this. Similarly, this is A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21, second row, first column, B21. Okay, so next 8 into 5, which is A21 into B11 plus A22 into B22. This is how this is B22. This is how we solve the multiplication. This is A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. Second row, first column, B21. Okay. So next 8 into 5, which is A21 into B11 plus A22 into B22. This is how this is B22. This is how we solve the multiplication.